How to generate random percentage in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this intermediate Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you an excellent function that will help me create random percentage in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes we need to enter random percentage in a certain range and it's hard to type each cell one by one. So there is a function which we can use, and we can also do some formatting, and that will give us a random percentage range. Okay, let's get started. Let's assume I want to write a random percentage in this cell. So for that I'm going to write equal to and then rand. This will give us a random number, and the random number will be 0 to 1. That means we will get everything between decimals. Okay, 0 to 1. Double click here and there is no parameters here, just a random number from 0 to 1. If I press enter, we have a value. Okay, now if we want to use this, we need to convert this as value, because every time the worksheet recalculates, the value will change. Let me show you. Click on formula and click calculate sheet, and you can see the value is changing. So I'm going to right click this cell, copy this cell, and then right click and paste as value. Okay, now our formula has been removed. We have only number as a value. Click on home tab and I'm going to remove the decimal points. Okay, and I'm going to keep it to 2 decimal points. Okay, I have kept that, and now if I format this cell as percentage, we have our random percentage. Okay, now let's say you want a random percentage in this range. So select the entire range without clicking anywhere else, write equal to and then write random, and here is our rand function. Double click, close parenthesis, and press Ctrl on your keyboard and then press enter. We have our random number. Right click, copy, right click, paste as value. Okay, now if you want to remove decimal, you can do using this, and here is our 2 decimal points. Okay, now once we have converted the formula to a random decimal points and then reduce the decimal points, now if I select this range and click on the percentage, and we have our random percentage. So this is how you can create random percentage in Microsoft Excel using the random function and using a little bit formatting. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. Thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, thanks for watching.